Democrats in the House of Representatives are preparing a bill to limit the tenure of U.S. Supreme Court justices to 18 years. The bill, which is likely to be introduced next week, will cut down their tenure to 18 years from current lifetime appointments. The move is a bid to reduce partisan warring over vacancies and preserve the court's legitimacy. The new bill would allow every president to nominate 2 justices per 4-year term. The bill seeks to avoid constitutional concerns by exempting current justices from the 18-year rule. The move comes amid heightened tensions as President Donald Trump prepares to announce his 3rd pick for the Supreme Court after Justice Ruth Ginsburg passed away recently. Republicans are hurrying to push through their nomination at the last moment before the elections.
If given power, Biden and his supporters would pack the court. You know, they're talking about packing the court because we have won races. We have won. I'll tell you what. So this will be my 3rd, and we're in great shape. Do you see what's going on with the Republican Party? How unified the Republican Party is? Right? Now we're unified. It's a beautiful thing to say. Thank you, Mitt. Thank you. Appreciate it. I just want them to do the right thing. But they want to pack the court. You know what that means? They want to put on a lot of justices. These are things that are just horrible. I guess we could do that too, right?
Of late, Supreme Court justices have on average served for more than 25 years. Term limits for High Court justices have been supported for years by legal experts across the political spectrum. Several polls in recent years have also shown that large majority of the American public also supports term limits. Legal experts say that the term limits must be accomplished through an amendment to the U.S. Constitution. For more on this, Jagruti Dave sent us this ground report from Washington.
Well, one of the concerns about the appointment is that it's happening before the election, which will tip the balance if President Trump nominates a conservative judge, which many expect him to, and if the Senate approves that, it will tip the balance of the Supreme Court away from liberal justices and in favour of conservative justices, which many Democrats are worried that if the election is a close one, that it could end up in the courts in a litigation. Now, the last time the one and only time the election has gone to the courts was in 2000 with George W. Bush v. Al Gore, and that was decided in the Supreme Court. And so people are concerned, Democrats in particular, are concerned that if that happens this time round, the balance will be tipped in favour of conservative judges. And so this is clearly one of the reasons one of the points in mind that many Democrats have as they try to sort of change the tenure of judges on the Supreme Court.